Oh my gosh, babe. Do you look at the calendar? Do you know what day is it today?
No, I didn't. Is today your birthday?
No, today is your mom's birthday.
Oh, really? Oh no. What should we do? Should we celebrate her with a small party?
Yes, maybe. And I think we should buy her a gift in the afternoon on the way to her house.
Is it okay? In my opinion, we should just drop by the supermarket to buy the ingredients. Then we will cook her a dinner at her house.
Regarding the gift, why don't we just give her some money instead? I don't think my mom wants any present now. She has almost everything.
Are you sure? I still want to give her a birthday present. It sounds more thoughtful. So, let's think about it later. What do you want to eat today?
Anything. Your cooking is good. I love everything you cook.
Thank you for your compliments. How about Mom? What does she want to eat?
I don't know. Why don't you just ask her?
Can you ask her for me?
Huh? Why?
I just think it'll be easier if you talk to her by yourself.
That's weird, Ben. You are the one who cooks. So you just talk to her.
You know her, she doesn't really want to open up to me.
No, of course she does open up to you.
Didn't you recognize that she does not like me? In other words, she hates me.
Why does she hate you?
Because I'm a homemaker. I don't have a real job. I'm not the breadwinner in this family. She has underestimated me in this regard.
Did my mom tell you about that?
No, she did not say it straight, but she showed it clearly. Sooner or later, she would tell me that I'm not a good husband to you. I'm sure about that.
But what is wrong with working at home?
This is not working at home, honey. I am a lady of the house.
Lady? Don't be embarrassed about what you are doing, darling. You are great. You are hardworking. You're taking care of me and our son. That's wonderful. Not many husbands could do that. Don't let that thought take root in your mind and turn you into a negative person.
I don't know.
May I ask what she has done?
I better not talk about it.
Please, Ben, I want to fix this relationship. I could not help if I didn't know it's clearly enough. Don't try to solve the problem yourself. Let me help.
Well, your mom told her friend that you deserve a better person. You used to date a lot of good men before. Some of them are the owners of the big company. Some of them even have a private jet. I don't have anything for you.
When did you hear that?
On her last birthday. I was shocked at first and I almost exploded, but I settled down.
I could not imagine how hurtful you were. I'm really sorry, Ben.
No, you don't have to be sorry about that. You are not the one who did that to me.
Is there anything else?
Sometimes she asks me if I have a plan to go back to work again. She could introduce me to a good company with a promising salary.
Oh no, that's terrible. She had to understand what you have been through.
It's okay, honey. I don't mean to talk behind her back. Just act normally and say nothing. I don't want you and your mom to argue to each other about me.
Sure, I will think about how to help you. I just want you to know that I'm very grateful to have you in my life. Thank you for everything. I love you.
I love you more. Now, I need to take a bath and get dressed.
Yeah, I'll see you later in the kitchen. I'll make you breakfast.
Thanks.
Hi, sweetheart. I'm still sleeping. Why did you call me so early? Something's wrong? No, Mommy. I just want to call to say happy birthday to you. Oh dear, you remember my birthday? Wow, surprise! Actually, Ben did. He reminded me that we should do something for you on your birthday. What a caring person he is. Oh, good. Mom, can we go over and cook you something tonight? I'm not sure about that. Why don't we just hang out at any restaurant? Ben wants to try some new dishes that he had just learned from the cooking class. What? The cooking class? Why did he go to the cooking class? Why not, Mom? He wants to improve his cooking skill. That's a good thing. Why shouldn't he spend time improving other working skills that seem more necessary? The cooking class is a place for women only. I don't know what is in his head. Come on, Mom. Why are you always racist towards my husband? I'm not. I just want him to move on as a normal husband in the family. What do you mean about a normal husband? He is even better than normal to me. Look at your friend's husband, Selena. They are all the income producer in the family. But I don't want a husband like that. You know me, I'm a workaholic. I don't want to be a housewife. So I need someone who understands and is safe to be my back. Nobody is better than Ben. Why don't you guys both work and just hire a helper? Doesn't it sound better? No. I don't want any stranger in my house. Who would know what kind of person she is? Moreover, my kids need to be close to their parents. Whatever, Selena. I don't expect that you love Ben the way you love me. But at least try to understand him. You know what happened to him in the previous job? That accident almost took his life. I and my son almost lost him. He just needs some time, Mom. Okay, I get it. Please don't rush on him. He's the most amazing man in the world. I just love him the way he is. You don't have to earn a lot of money to be a good husband. Selena, don't get me wrong. I just care so much about you. Are you really happy now? Yes, I am. Okay, I promise I'll stop being so hard on Ben. Thank you, Mommy. So, I will see you tonight at your house, okay? Alright, see you later. Bye. Bye, Mom. Ben, I have just called my mom. She said that we could come over tonight. She's very cheerful about that. She misses you and our son so much.
She missed me?
I already talked to her, babe. Don't you have to be worried. She was just afraid that you would get bored staying at home. That's why she pushed you. Not a big deal, alright?
I understand. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Okay, let's have breakfast.